A new release from this year. This is a head turner. This is assertive, a strong statement maker. It is Adonis Awakens from Argos. This stuff is absolutely stunning. Has the Mysore sandalwood that's found in Danye, one of the previous releases from Argos. It's so good. It has this red berries kind of fruitiness at the top that adds more of this vibrance to the top note. There's two different types of roses, a Bulgarian rose and a rose absolute in the deeper dry. And it's very ambery. It's a little warm and spicy. Look at the detail work on this plate as well. That's all hand-painted enamel paint. Raised, embossed, debossed. Just a lot of work. You get a lot for your money with the presentations on this. And the quality is second to none. The performance is fantastic. This is one of the best releases of the year. This is one that more people need to try. It's filling the area. Look, I've sprayed some strong fragrances so far in this video. And this is overwhelming and overpowering the airspace that they were occupying for a moment. This stuff is really strong. This is captive. This is a great professional everyday wear for someone that wants to command the room, because it does make a statement. It is very powerful in the statement that it makes. This is definitely worth trying, in my opinion. I've had a few conversations about what I'm wearing and just the uniqueness of this scent profile. It's definitely quite the attention grabber and worth getting your nose on. This is Argos Adonis Awakens.